Do you ever feel like, as a busy working mom, that at work you have a lot of projects going and things in a bunch of different piles in different directions, and then at home you have a lot of projects going, things in different piles in different directions, different kinds of piles and directions, um, but you don't know how to start fresh in each space, at home or at work, and your mind is kind of jumbled up on what to do there. Today, I want to talk about that a little bit. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I'm a meditation expert, and I teach busy working moms easy, doable ways to meditate and also how to create peace and joy in every single day of their life. And there's a step-by-step process on how to do that. Um, I am a busy working mom. I have been running a chiropractic practice for a dozen years. I have two little kids, and life experience is one thing, and also I've studied this extensively. So today I want to talk about new life a little bit. I think it's very timely because it's spring. And spring is like in Maine, because that's where I live. The ground is full of snow, and then you see these tiny shoots coming out from the ground, and you see your flowers poking up, and it is just like, oh, it's here. Like, we're going to be okay. That's at least how I feel. But with work and home, on those two things, how to create a new, fresh, like blanket of snow, freeze it over, let new things come up. So when you want to create some newness in your life and you want to start fresh, a great thing to do is to write down your accomplishments. So write down the things that you have accomplished in the past month, whatever they are, because sometimes it can feel like nothing, like I didn't accomplish anything. But if you sit down and think about it, like, what did you do? Did you sign your kids up for some camps and you thought you're going to be late to do that? Did you hire a new person at your job? Did you get to spend one-on-one time with one of your kids? Did you make that a priority? Like, that is like an accomplishment. So write those things down, and make a work list and a home list, because they integrate, but they're different things. When you're a working mom, they're different things. You're a working person and then you're a mom. It's different. So write those things down first, and then I invite you to take a meditation. And to do that, there's a 5-minute guided meditation below this video, so you can do that to start off your freshness. But when you do meditate, you breathe in, and when you're breathing, you engage your parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body down. And when our body is calm, that is a time when we can be new and refresh and see things a new way. Just like in winter, when everything's a bit calmer because it's all covered in snow, nothing's growing in winter. And spring comes and new things come up. Your meditation can be like your spring. You take that rest, and then new things will come up at the end of the meditation that you might have some clarity on that you didn't have before. Spring is a time for clarity and for new ideas. And so I invite you to try this exercise where you do a meditation. Well, first write the stuff down on each home and work list, do a 5-minute meditation, and then at the end, write some things down that you want to get accomplished or that you want to rest on. You're allowed to rest on things. Rest on things at work and rest on things at home. And see if that brings you some new life and makes you feel fresh and reborn, kind of like a baby bird in spring. So let me know if you try this. Again, the link is below for your free guided meditation to get you through this process. And the calm and joy that you create today really does create a generation of peaceful people. And I'm so glad that you're here.